Right. They say in alternating current, welcome. Let's practice this together. Grab your notes. The purpose of this video is to build acquaintance and awareness. So you said go see how they set their question. This is just a phase in our class. Our main class is done on the group. And I'm going to leave the link to the group in the description box of this video. If you'd like to be part of the section, or this is your first time of coming across our video, you can make use of the link to join the class and enroll. We prepare students for College of Nursing entrance examinations, JAMB, UTMEs, and post-UTMEs. Let's get straight to the point. Let's get straight into it. In alternating current theory, the unit of impedance, they say RMS, voltage, and resonance frequency are respectively equal to, they are equal to ohms, volts, and hertz. Option B. Next question. In AC circuit theory, the root mean square, RMS, current, and the peak maximum current are related by, the peak is equals to 2 is option B. The RMS is equal to the peak square root of 2, option B. 3. Determine the has to do with calculation. 4 has to do with calculation. 5 has to do with calculation. And trust me, this chapter is a very short chapter. 5 calculations, just 30 something questions. Calculations. More than I doubt. Calculations. Given by this, I mean the calculations. Alright, let's try number 14. Which of the following graph shows the correct vector diagram for a circuit above? For a circuit above 14. Okay. Here's it. You have your the one for the inductor and the one for the resistance. The voltage for the inductor and the voltage of your resistance. Option B. 15 as the calculation. 16. In a tuned radio receiver, resistance, inductor, and capacitance, L is for inductor, series circuit for response. The inductance and capacitance respectively are related. They are related by, how are they related? XL equals XC, option B. 17. This L here, this XL means inductance, so this XC means capacitance. Now like this, they related. This one they equal to this one. Calculation. When AC voltage is applied to a capacitor, no power is consumed because the current leads the voltage by 90 degrees. Option D. The current leads the voltage by 90 degrees. The instantaneous value. Okay. The instantaneous value of the induced EMF as a function of time. Where is the peak value of the EMF? The instantaneous value of the EMF, 1/4 of the period is, that's demonstration 25. Just 31 question. In alternating current circuit as resonance, the angle of lead or lag is is 0 degrees actually. In an alternating current, the angle of lead or lag 0 degree. Now jot this down for me. AC circuit containing capacitor. The capacitor current leads the voltage, or the voltage lag the current by 90 degree. Next, right. AC circuit containing inductor. The voltage leads the current, or the current lagged the voltage by 90 degrees. Next line, right. At resonance, lead or lag is 0 degree. Lead or lag is 0 degree. At resonance, I equals I max. The max, so you write capital letter I, then you write max at the down. And XL equals XC. XL equals XC. 27. In an AC circuit, the ratio of the RMS value to the peak value is 20. Option A. 2 inductors, how to do the calculation? 30. 30 is the last question here. The current in an RLC series circuit attains its maximum value when the inductive reactance is equal to the capacitive reactance. Option A. Now note, this chapter is very tiny chapter, simple AC. You got into this part, the little part I asked you to jot, snap it and send for assessment. On the group also, we conduct drills and we also make in-depth explanations. You want to be part of the session, or this is your first time, you could make use of the link in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching. We've actually come to the end of the series treating of this material, JAMB Remix by I think this is by Sam, right? We've actually come to the end of the series. It's a good item. You could get this item for yourself if you are preparing for any of these exams. Alright, so this credit to the authors of JAMB Remix for using your materials to help students prepare for their exam. The material has been helpful so far, and it's wonderful. Although there are some errors which have also been corrected in answering of the questions for those of you who would go through it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.